Math is like riding a bicycle. In 1999, I learned to ride a bicycle in Lagos. And I remember that it was years later when I had to ride a bicycle again. There was a gap there because I went to boarding school and we didn't have bicycles in boarding school, even though that sounds like a pretty cool idea, right? Anyways, we didn't have bicycles in boarding school, but when I saw a bicycle again after a period of time, I could still ride the bicycle. When you master topics in mathematics, when you master it once, if you take a break, right, with the right coaching and tools again, and you see that topic, you should be able to tackle it and carry on. And that is honestly one of the reasons that people in physics graduate school, medical physics, my medical physics graduate school, they taught us some difficult topics, and we didn't need to use them necessarily at the hospital when we went to work. But if I had to relearn some of those topics now, guess what? My brain is probably going to say, yep, I've dealt with you before, right? We teach difficult things sometimes to people at the moment, even though they would have calculators later on, because learning it once, that first time, can be very could help them later on in life when they have to learn it again, or when they have to learn something like it, right? There's a lot we could go into there, but I just want to say math is like riding a bicycle. You have to think of it also in the sense that when you learn how to ride a bicycle, you have to learn how to turn, how to stop, right? You have to learn these different aspects. So when students are faced with a math problem, they need to think about how to break it down to different components and how to navigate that piece. Okay, so I want to encourage students to, of course, keep practicing regularly. Even if a student gets a 97% on a test, by the way, they need to figure out why they got the 3% wrong. So math is like riding a bicycle, and we need to help more students to learn well now and have good notes that they can refer back to later on. We'll talk more about the other aspects of math, but thanks for watching. Take care and have a blessed day.